everyone, my name is Charmin, and today I want to share something personal about my journey in our purposive communication subject. Before this semester started, I was a very shy person. I didn't like speaking in front of many people. I always felt nervous when we had to do classroom activities like reporting or oral presentations. I was not confident at all, and I used to feel very scared to stand and talk in front of my classmates. Every time our instructor asked for a volunteer to report, I would look down or pretend I was busy. I didn't want to be chosen. My voice would shake, my hands would get cold, and I couldn't even look at my classmates. I just wanted to sit quietly and let others speak. I was always afraid that I might take a mistake while talking. I thought people would laugh at me or judge me if I said something wrong. Because of this fear, I never enjoyed reporting. I just wanted to finish it quickly and sit down again. When our purposive communication subject began, I was still very nervous, but our instructor was very kind and patient. He gave us simple tasks that helped us start speaking in class. At first, I was still scared, but slowly I started to feel more comfortable. We learned many things about how to communicate properly. I learned that it's okay to make mistakes, and what matters is how we express ourselves. I also learned about eye contact, body language, and how to organize my thoughts before speaking. We also had small group activities that helped me practice speaking with others. It felt easier when I was talking with my friends. I slowly started to gain confidence because I saw that I could speak well when I prepared properly. Then one day, our instructor gave us a new task to interview random students in our school. At first, I was shocked. I thought, how can I do that? I can't even talk to strangers. I felt scared again, just like before. But something changed inside me. I remember everything I learned in our subject. I told myself, you can do this. Just smile, be polite, and speak with confidence. So I took a deep breath and started walking around the campus to find students to interview. To my surprise, I was able to approach them. I introduced myself and explained the purpose of the interview. They were kind and they answered my questions. I felt so happy after the moment because I realized I was not shy anymore. Before, I would never talk to people I didn't know. But now, I can approach strangers, speak to them, and ask questions without fear. That is a big change in me and I'm very proud of it. Reporting in front of the class also became easier for me. I now speak louder and clearer. I didn't shake as much, and I can look at my classmates while speaking. I feel more relaxed and even enjoy sharing my thoughts during class. Purposive communication helped me a lot. It gave me the tools and confidence to express myself. I learned that communication is not only about talking, but also about connecting with people and being brave enough to share your ideas. Now, I feel more confident not just in class but also in real life. I can talk to people more easily. I can join group discussions, report in class, and do interviews without feeling too nervous. That's a big change from who I was before. I am very thankful to our instructor and the subject. Without it, I would still be the shy student who was scared to speak. But now, I feel stronger, braver, and more confident. I believe I can continue improving even more. To anyone who feels shy or afraid to speak in public, I want to say this. It's okay. We'll start somewhere. But if you keep trying and learning, you will grow too. I never thought I would change like this, but I did. And I'm very proud of myself. Thank you for listening to my story. This experience has changed me, and I always remember how far I've come because of purposive communication.